Make you see on the beat, you dig.
Before I leave, I'ma rock this one. Yeah. La. Yeah. Look, I'm so grateful that we are so rich, wealthy in time, my life is so perfect. We make a new song every single day. No, I'm not thugging, it's not that I can't. Yes, I got one trust, you know what I mean. We make this money 24/7. Watch how I organize all of these things. Watch how I organize all of my thoughts. She tell me no, then I know she a thot. Roll up a blunt, smoke that bitch up. Ah, damn. Yeah, hold on, we gotta get it, man. Hold on. Look. Look, I'm so grateful that we are so rich, wealthy in time, my life is so perfect. We make a new song every single day. No, I'm not thugging, it's not that I can't. Yes, I got one trust, you know what I mean. Make this money 24/7. All that I write is always relevant. Watch how we organize all of these things. Watch how I organize all of my thoughts. She tell me no, then I know she a thot. Yeah, she tell me no, then I know she a thot. Yeah, roll up a blunt, smoke that bitch on my own. Yeah. Look, I'm so wealthy that we are so rich. I'm so wealthy and grateful for this. Daddy just twerking, mommy, where you been? Whatever you want, I swear you get. Making all this money now, I am a fucking threat. Financially intelligent, I had to find a way. Finish on top, we could make that a bet. When I reflect, I can't think of regret. Look, now the attention is all over me. Mapped out a plan and got up off the street. Look, utilize all negative as leverage. I'm so grateful that damn, look, I'm so grateful. Damn, confident is constantly growing, developing. Confident. Damn, I gotta get it. Hold on. Look, I gotta go to work. I gotta get this car. I start getting lost in the sauce. Excuses got the fucking best of me. Goddamn, this coffee is hella good. I gotta get this bitch. I gotta. Got called. I'm grateful I got called. But then the call ain't come earlier. Right when I start waking up. But it's okay. Yeah, I got it. Oh man. Ford service. I know Ford is. I hope it's doing. Top, we can make that a bit. Thank you, universe, for the fact that I get to live, I get to breathe, I get to live, I get to breathe. If there's anything that you're overcoming, what I want you to do is send me an email. If there's anything that's bothering you internally, there's a method, there's a form of what's it called? A formula. That's the word I was looking for. A formula that's gonna help you get out of your mental rut. Send me an email at ourtheta@gmail.com. In about 4 months max, I'll have a link for you to actually just submit, and it'll be a lot more automated. But for now, send me an email at ourtheta@gmail.com. Let me take care of the wit. I'm going to Colonial. I like this. Ask for Abel. Let's go. Abel.